and it says, have the students read by sounding out each keyword from this informational text. And this has a handy dandy way of showing us how to sound the word out. So let's have a listen.
Stop sign. Stop. S. S. T. O. L. P. Stop. Sign. S. S. I. G. Sign. F. Sign. Stop sign.
Okay, so each of these is going to show you what these words are saying. The next one says no smoking sign. Let's listen.
No smoking sign. No smoking. S. S. N. O. O. K. I. N. G. Together. Smoking. Sound. S. S. I. G. Sound. N. Sound. No smoking. Sound.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to send you the attachment to this assignment so you can go ahead and you can click through all those and read them all. But I'm going to read the next one for you: poison sign, railroad crossing, hearing protection, falling rock zone, fire exit sign, say no to drugs, no swimming sign, stop here to cross the street. Okay, and then the next assignment for you, you're going to either point to the picture and repeat this description of each outdoor sound out loud. I can't even talk. And you can talk about where you might find these signs. Okay, the first sign, most of you, I know what you know what this sign is, don't you? What is that sign? It says stop. Let's listen.
Stop sign. Stop now. Only proceed with caution.
Okay, so that tells us, let me get my little face back on here, that sign means to stop, and then after you've stopped, you have to proceed with caution. Mostly you're going to see that sign for cars, but you'll know that if you're standing near a stop sign, that means the car that's on the road is going to stop, look, and make sure, and then it's going to go. So even though it stopped, you need to make sure that the driver sees you before you cross the street. Again, I'm going to send this to you. You can listen to all of these wonderful signs. The next one says no smoking. You know what that means. Don't smoke cigarettes. The next sign, do you see that skull and crossbones? That means whatever's in that bottle, whatever's in that cabinet is poisonous. And you should not eat it or drink it because it will make you sick. The next sign has 2 R's on it and an X, and it's a yellow. It's a railroad crossing sign. When you come up to a railroad crossing sign, you need to stop and look both ways and make sure that a train is not coming. And you probably shouldn't walk on the tracks because what's going to happen? The train's probably going to hit you. The next sign has a person wearing headphones. What that means is you must wear hearing protection because there's so many loud noises that it might hurt your ears. The next sign is a fire exit sign. So in case of fire, that's the door that you need to go out of. So if the house or the building or the place where you are is having a fire, you need to walk out the door that says fire exit. The next one, danger, absolutely no swimming at any time. That means it's not safe to swim there, so don't swim in that water. The next one, watch for falling rock. Be careful because rocks might fall on you and hurt you. Here's another sign that's got your old friend, the stop sign in it, but it's also got an arrow and the words here and for and a person. It's telling you to stop and look both ways right here before you start walking. The last one says, don't do drugs. Drugs are not safe if your doctor did not prescribe it. The next page says teacher will instruct students to cut and paste, yay, in order to show the correct text with the picture of the sign. So you can have somebody help you print out this page and you can cut and paste. You're going to cut those, see those dotted lines? These dotted lines are what you're going to cut. And you're going to have somebody help you read that to you. And you're going to paste it on the ones that match. Or you can point to them. But it's more fun to cut and paste, I know. So we've got a stop sign, no smoking, poisonous, railroad crossing, hearing protection, fire exit, no swimming, watch for falling rock, stop and look and listen before you cross right here, and don't do drugs. And then there's the descriptions that you're going to cut out and you're going to paste where they belong. Don't smoke. It is hazardous to your health. Stop and look both ways. A train may be coming, and so on. The next page, you're going to look and decide which picture goes with the description. So again, you're going to get to cut and paste, which is fun, fun, fun. So you're going to have somebody print this off for you. And you can even click on this, and I think it will read it all to you. Let's see. Yes, it's the same that we've done before.
Find the stop now sign. No smoking sign. This is poisonous sign. Railroad crossing sign.
Okay, so that reads it for you, but you can have your teacher or your parent help you read, and then you can cut and paste and glue those where those belong. Teachers will instruct students to analyze sentences using the vocabulary words introduced in the text. Write in, cut and paste the correct text out of the 5 choices given. Okay, this is a little more difficult. If you choose to skip this page, that's fine. But it basically, or you can just discuss the page, or you can have help reading it. But in the first one says strategy 1. What sign might tell you you should not swim in a creek, pool, or public area? So then you're going to go down and you're going to read what it says, cut and paste. It is unsafe to swim here at any time. You could also print out pictures of the signs. This is what I would do, and have the student, or you can have your parent help you or your teacher help you put those signs in the right place, because we really want you to understand what the sign looks like and what it means. The next one is fun if you want to trace letters, and if you're working on handwriting, it might be kind of fun, but that's up to you. And then pictures to attach to traced keywords. Again, this is, whoa, these are the pictures that you can print off, that you can print off and you can put on those sentences. That would be good. Or you can match them to the words that you just traced, either one. And hopefully you have gained some understanding of what it means when you see a danger sign and what different danger signs you might see. I hope you enjoyed it, and please stay safe. Thank you.